crap that goes along around this block. Two cars fighting one another, backing up, trying to get in, and one double parked, and I'm out of here. Enough of this stuff. Oh, like I said it, I just don't get people. I really don't. They walk in the streets in front of the cars, they park wherever the hell they want. I just don't get it. I sure do get it. I'm just not getting it across the way I want to. Do you get that? Park when there's a spot. Put up these lean-tos. Take away the parking street spots. Maybe we just not drive anymore. That I don't get. Just continue on. In this vlogging episode, man, I'm going to shop for some disinfectant cleaner so I could do the floors, get a piece of wood so I can hang my disinfectant up, and my broom, and then my shovel. I don't think I want to hang my bike up, but that's what's going to happen. I got to change. And I got to change everything around a little. Today's a little bit of painting, get some soil, and do some good stuff. 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. So, I got gloves on and I want to be a little bit extra cautious. 1, 2, 3. 25 cents. I want the Miracle Grow Moisture Cure, and they don't have it. I came for a disinfectant. That I got. I also got some Miracle Grow, and I needed WD-40. Oh yeah. 1,000, 2, 3. I really came for a piece of wood, and gone, just like that. Couldn't find a common piece of wood. Oh man, I gotta go shopping elsewhere just to get a piece of wood. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 deep breaths. 3 seconds of your life, each and every second. Oh man, it can cost you dearly. But those 3 seconds, you just don't get. I don't get why people got to rush to where they got to go. I hope you made some sense, and it ain't about taking a deep breath. It ain't about 3 seconds. It ain't about shopping. It ain't about me. It ain't about, did you get it? I just don't get it. Oh, I'm on a roll. Oh, you got that for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this vid. I'm Fish, and thank you very much for joining me on my day out with the 2010 Toyota Corolla S. Oh yeah, I am happy. I got my car up and running just like that. Where is my brake vacuum parts? Where's my email that my packages are on the way? I just don't get it.